Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the Lime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the top of the page on the left. Then click on the settings button. And as you can see at the very end of the page, there is a delete your account button. So just click on that. And you have to send in a request to the customer service, and then they can help you delete your account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.